Paper buttons tutorial.
I start off by cutting out a square from my rectangle piece of paper. I cut my square into 4 squares that are the same size. There's going to be 4 buttons total. I draw a 3x3 grid and I fold all the edges of my paper. I then add a snip to every edge. Next to the snip, I added glue to the small square on all sides. I do this 4 times in total. These will be the bottom of my button. I cut out 4 more squares. Make sure the center square is slightly smaller, bottom of the previous boxes. I repeat the same steps to make the box, except this one is slightly smaller. I make sure they fit into each other nicely. For 2 of the buttons, I made the mistake of coloring after I've glued the edges together. It was really hard to color and write on the buttons, but for the next 2, I've learned from my mistake. The coloring and writing went so much faster. We got Aura, Cringe, Slay, and Bye, but we're not done yet. To make the buttons bounce up and down, I cut out 2 strips of paper, glued the bottom edge together, and folded 1 strip on top of the other. It's our paper spring, and I do this 4 times total. I wanted my buttons to be in a square formation, so I glued them together. You don't have to glue them together if you don't want to. Folded the sides of the buttons slightly inwards. This really helped out making the buttons bounce. I tried it once without the bottom fold and it did not work out. These work surprisingly well. So happy with the results.